In this Ventra XT video, we're going to be adding a Whisker switch and programming it to our XT. To do that, we're going to, from the home screen, go to Menu Hotkeys, System Control Device Setup, then highlight Add a Control Device. Press Enter, and then we will be scrolling through our list to find Whisker switch. You can use the arrow buttons. There's Whisker switch, or you can just highlight it with your finger. There's Whisker switch. We're going to enter. Now we're going to finish setting it up. We're going to choose which Whisker switch number this is. So if you have multiple Whisker switches, number 1, number 2, number 3, here's where you would put that. This is the first and only one we have, so we're going to leave it number 1. Now we're going to choose the zone that this Whisker switch is in. If you have multiple zones in your barn, here's where you would set that. We do only have one zone, so leaving it at Z1. Module 1, this is a standalone Ventra XT. We do not have any expansion stations, so we're going to leave this at Module 1. Then we're going to choose the channel that this is wired to, and in our case, we're wired to channel 3, so we're going to set that, press enter to confirm. Now as we go back to our home screen, main menu, input devices, there you can see our Whisker switch. Going to touch that. Now we're going to finish programming it. So from here we're going to attach that to our side curtain, press enter. Now we're going to choose the fans turn off by curtain opening. You can use curtain opening, Whisker switch, whatever the case is. If you choose curtains, the fans will turn off based off the internal calculated position of the device. If you choose Whisker switch, the fans will turn on and off based off of the state of the Whisker switch, regardless of the actual airway opening. You can use it by curtain opening, so when the device gets to a certain opening size, the fans will turn off, or you can set it for Whisker switch and let that decide when it's going to be turned off. So I'm going to choose curtain opening. Then we're going to validate the switch, so we're going to set the low number of inches and the high number of inches of when the switch will be validated. So in this case, we're going to choose say 5 inches for our low validation. Press enter, and now our high, I'm going to set 24 inches. You know, this is going to be kind of based off of the size opening that you have. You know, 3 to 5 is kind of a typical low, and then a high, you're going to be somewhere in that mid-range of when the curtain is midway open or so. So press enter on that. Then if we want, we can choose the seconds delay for the out of position alarm, because it will give you an out of position alarm. If for some reason it senses the curtain is not where it's supposed to be, it will give you an out of alarm position. So you can choose the number of seconds you want. In this case it's 15 seconds. If you want to put 30 seconds, you could put 30 seconds. Enter. And so we have now set our Whisker switch on our Ventra XT.